Hi, I'm Scott Canady, CAI's federal lobbyist with this advocacy moment about the National Flood Insurance Program. Commonly known as the NFIP, the National Flood Insurance Program is the largest insurer of flood risk in the nation. If your community association has a flood insurance policy, it's most likely an NFIP policy. Now, the NFIP is not a permanent federal government program. Congress typically votes every 5 years to extend NFIP's authority to sell flood insurance policies, and the current authorization expires on July 31st. Congress is working to reauthorize the NFIP, but the legislation to do this has become mired in controversy. The NFIP is almost $25 billion in debt and never really recovered from the losses it incurred during Hurricane Katrina in 2005 and Superstorm Sandy in 2013. And more recently, Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria forced Congress to forgive $16 billion of NFIP's debt just so claims could be paid. Now, reformers in Congress point to the $25 billion debt as unmistakable evidence that premiums are underpriced and must be increased. Others counter that higher premiums reduce the number of NFIP policies, thereby directly increasing federal spending on disaster relief. Now, in addition to this debate over premiums, there remain other controversies about the accuracy of federal flood insurance maps, NFIP claims processing, and the emergence of private flood insurance policies. Now, these controversies have led to a recent series of short-term NFIP extensions, with Congress even allowing NFIP to expire for several days during the recent federal government shutdown. When the NFIP expires, no new policies can be sold, and no existing policies may be renewed. This raises the possibility of uninsured flood losses for community associations and homeowners. As a CAI advocate, the first message to your representatives and senators is that Congress must complete a long-term NFIP reauthorization this year. Now, the good news is the House of Representatives has already passed legislation to do this, but numerous senators oppose the House bill. So in your meetings with senators, urge the Senate to begin negotiations with the House on a consensus bill. And that's it. Thanks for learning about the NFIP and the need for Congress to extend this critical program by July 31st. And thanks for being a CAI advocate.